Alright guys, so let's see how to replace the air filter on this car. Let's take out this cover. With a T20 you've got 4 screws around the cover. You do not need to take them out completely and you get access to the filter. From this point you can go ahead and clean up all the debris from the air filter housing. However, it's a better idea to take out the air filter housing and clean it up separately. Therefore you can get access to all the compartments inside here. Next I will show you how to remove the air filter housing, which can be useful if you want to get access to other parts around the air filter housing. I'm going to disconnect this cover with a 7mm socket. Just open this hose clamp. With a screwdriver, just pry it out. Now if you look from this side, you've got the clip at the bottom here, which you gotta press it in that direction, and this cover will come out as well. If you want to remove as well this intake pipe, you gotta release it from this tab. You're gonna be able to wiggle it out. You'll also notice that the PCM, the computer of the car, is located right on the air filter housing, which also will provide cooling for it. If you release these tabs, you got one here and one on the other side, you're gonna be able to lift the computer, put it on the side like that. The wires from the PCM are connected on the air filter box. Use some sort of hook like this to release these clips. Just take it out from those rubber tabs. Alright. And here it comes. Now you can remove all this debris and give it a proper clean. Once you put the new filter on, all this dirt will not go on the new filter and make it last less than it should. I'm not concerned about the exterior, I only care about the interior. It gotta be nice and clean, shiny. Now when you install back this air filter housing, it will slide in much easier. Now just clip in these connectors. Clip it in, place the intake pipe, which alright, so that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about this car, there is going to be a link in the description below with all the videos I made about it. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you soon.